think this stapler's important.
Should I just move it?
Probably.
Alright, so what do you guys think happened here?
I don't know, there wasn't a murder weapon on the scene.
So, you can't find a murder weapon. I think it was just an accident. I think we should go with that.
Okay.
So I think the victim died of unknown causes.
I think so too.
If only the detectives would have analyzed the evidence more, they would have found out that I was killed by this stapler.
Oh look, it's the murder weapon.
I think we need to take this back to the lab and analyze it.
Good idea.
After analyzing the stapler at the scene, I think this is the murder weapon.
Yeah, I agree.
So after seeing how the crime scene went down, the murderer must have punctured her heart with the stapler, concluding that this victim is dead.
By using the scientific method, we found out that she was murdered by this stapler.